my God, are my white strips still on? What the heck? This is like just right. It's not too hard, but it's not too soft. Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you comment down below. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to our family. So, if you read from the title, we are going to be unboxing the Slay Glam box. So, this is a $24 a month subscription. I do have a code JUSTAN that will save you 10% off of your first box. This is a makeup / beauty subscription box. So, if you want to see what I got in the Slay Glam box, then keep on watching. Alright, so I just picked this up from the post office. I know she did skip the May subscription, so nobody got charged for May, so she can keep up because she does live in California. Her business is in California, and California, I believe, was one of the first states to shut the mail down. So I know she did get behind. So I'm pretty sure this is the June box, but we will see when I open it up. So this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. It looks like a little pocketbook, doesn't it? Love it so much. All right, so let's cut it open and see. So it comes packaged pretty good. Now this subscription, you usually get all makeup. I don't remember ever getting any skincare in this. So if you're looking for like an all makeup subscription, this is definitely for you. So we have everything out of there. All right. I don't see a card in here. There's no card in here, so I'm just going to show you what's in here. All right, so the first thing is from Manica Dar. This is the Lash Serum. Now, I did receive this in the AIA Beauty Bundle, and I believe this is like $29, if I can remember correctly. And yeah, so I do enjoy lash serums. I've tried, I think it was like the Grande one, XXL, and it seemed to really work. But the only thing with lash serums is if it does work, then you have to keep it up, because as soon as you stop using it, then it doesn't work anymore. So that's the only thing. All right, the next thing we got is from Appeal Cosmetics. This is the gel liner in Dulce. And Appeal is an expensive brand as well. Like, I would never pay these prices for them, but it's, you know, it's an okay lip liner. Like I always say, that's why I love subscription boxes. All right, let me do a little swatchy swatch. Nice and creamy. Very, very pretty. Really like that a lot. This is definitely my type of color. All right, the next thing is from Cella. This is a face blending brush. Ooh. From Cella, I think I've tried their, what was it? I think a brow product. Yeah, I think it was. That's the only thing I ever tried. So here is like a duo fiber brush. This is so pretty. It's like an orangey red. And this is exactly how I like them. A lot of times I always say the brushes are too soft. This is like just right. It's not too hard, but it's not too soft. My mind always goes to the gutter. I really, really like this. These type of brushes for me are good. Like if I have a blush that's way too pigmented, I usually will go in with something like this. This is also good for stippling if you have concealer or even foundation. I love these type of brushes. And I'm so excited to get this. All right, and then let's see what is in here. All right, so there's two things in here. So this is from Illuminati. And this reminds me of, I forget which it is, but there's like a high-end brand that has like, it kind of looks like this. And it usually has like, here's a little hoop right here, like you would put on a necklace and wear. I mean, I personally wouldn't do that, but it is really pretty. I believe this is a lip gloss. Let's see. And I love these type of doe foot applicators. Real pretty. Ooh, now that is gorgeous. That is so pretty. Wow. This is really, really nice. Like, I am so happy to get that. And it's really cute packaging. All right, so we have that. And then we have this. What is this? This is from, called Vacay from Prolex. Right there. Now, slayglambox does have another, it's like a sister company. It's called Beat Face Box, which I did unbox that. I will leave that down below. That is a bi-monthly subscription. And this one here is a monthly subscription. So this is what it looks like. It comes with a mirror, and these remind me of the Violet Vosses ones that have the eyeshadows and then down here. So let me take this paper off. All right, so that's what she looks like. Really, really pretty. I wish I had a card that I can tell you the prices on here. So these are all like, looks like kind of like highlighters down here. So let me swatch them first. So there are the first 4. They feel very buttery. They feel really nice. And they look nice too. So you can definitely wear these as well as like a shimmer shade here. So there is the lightest one. And then there's one more, there is the darker one. Oh, that's pretty. So I like the fact that, you know, it has different skin tones that you can, you know, use a highlighter for. I do like that. And let me show you again what the palette looks like. Oh, I want to get my hand in there. So very, very pretty. It goes from light to dark. And I'm going to do a couple swatches of the eyeshadow palette because I love eyeshadow. All right, here are some of the mattes. There we go. There is 4 right there. Here are the next 4. Right here. And here are the last 2 mattes. Right there. Very pretty. Some of them are patchy. I have not went in to see if they're buildable. I wanted to show you the true swatches. Some of them are really good like this, but let's go in with a few just to see if they're buildable. I'm pretty sure that they are. So I went in with these 2 shades here, and they're definitely buildable. So that's the type of palette that I like. I'd rather it be buildable than so pigmented, because if you mess up, then you got to take your whole eyeshadow off and start over. All right, so let's go in with the shimmer shades. These feel good. All right, so there are the first 4. All right, here they are right here. They're not my favorite, but probably if you wet them, they'll probably be a little bit better. And there are the last 2. That green is gorgeous. And there we go. There are the shimmer shades, and there are all the mattes right there. The highlighted shades are probably my favorite, but like I said, you can kind of put them on your lids as well. Very, very pretty. So let's recap what we got for $24. So we have a palette, which is a nice palette. We have an eyelash serum from Manica Dar, which I believe this is $29 right there. So this here pays for the entire box. We have a beautiful lip gloss. This is probably one of my favorite lip glosses. Oh my God, it's so pretty. We have a brush, which I love getting brushes. And then we have a lip liner, which I'm really into lip liners. So that is everything that we got in the Slay Glam box for the month of June. So let me know what you guys think. Do you think that this is worth it? I'm really impressed. This is probably one of their better months. I really do think Slay Glam box is really improving every month. I really, really do. And like I said earlier, that if you don't like getting monthly subscriptions, if you get too many, then they do have a bi-monthly subscription for $39.99. It is called the Beat Face box, and I will leave that down below in case you're interested in that as well. And that's basically all I have to say. Let me know down in the comments below, what do you think of it? So please rate this video. So give me a thumbs up if you enjoy unboxings, if you like seeing me unbox this. Let me try that again. If you enjoy seeing me unbox the Say Glam box, then give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs down if you don't think that it was worth it. If you don't want to see me unbox a Slay Glam box on this channel, I only want to put content that you want to see. So that is the only way that I will know if you rate the video. If you enjoy unboxings and reviews and hauls, then please consider subscribing to our channel. I would love for you to join our family. Don't forget to turn that post notification bell on and make sure you have it on all. So double tap it and make sure that you do, because if you do not, it'll stay on personalized, and that means YouTube will only give you notifications of what they think you might like. So if you have it on all, then you will get notified for all of my future videos. And that is everything, guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Stay healthy, stay blessed, and please stay cool in this hot, hot weather we're having. All right, guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.